Hello and welcome to our data modeling introduction video. In this video, you will learn about data types, how to create a new type, use constants, and sensors. In your project, you will need to understand the different data you will manipulate. I take the opportunity of speaking about data to highlight that SCADE is based on data flow. Therefore, data is very important when using SCADE. So in SCADE, every flow is typed. Inputs, outputs, and local variables all have an explicit type. The typing system allows to handle all kinds of data. The simplest types are scalars, representing integers, booleans, floating point values, or characters. To create a new type in SCADE Suite, select the package or the project where you want to create the type. Then right-click and select Insert and Type. You can edit the name of the type. If you double-click on the type, you open the type window where you can edit the contents of the type. If you select a cell in the definition column and press F2, a drop-down menu appears and allows you to select the most common options for a type definition. To create a structure, you select Structure, and it automatically creates one element in your structure. To add more elements, you can right-click and select Insert, Definition Element. Here is a summary of the kind of types that you can create. The simple types, SX, SY, SZ, are just a renaming of an existing type. Array 3R is an array of 3 reals. Array 3R is a 3x3 real matrix. T-color inputs is an enumeration with 3 options. T-complex is a structure with 2 elements, each one a real. Now let's talk about constants. If you want to create them, you can right-click, Insert, and Constants, and implement them like this afterwards. Enter the type of the constant and its value. Note that a real value must have a dot to be differentiated from an integer. Finally, I would like to brief you about sensors. They are global flow inputs accessible in read-only mode. They are provided by the environment and remain constant during the whole execution cycle. Sensors are especially useful for large data structures as they are not passed through the input interface. To create a new sensor, select a package or project where the sensor shall be created. Right-click and select Sensor. Give it a name and select the type of the sensor. Thank you for your attention.